what's up guys? Daisy here and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video guys, kay mag-start na ko sa akong intro class for freediving. Yay! New year, new skill, diba? So by the way guys, I'm currently with my friend. This is Queenie Kimada, my high school friend. Yes. So,
hello.
Single. Diba tao guys? So, nagsakay pa mig taxi kay ay grab di ay padong sa Contiki Resort kay adto dito ang kuan ang venue. So, I booked our freediving intro class from Pacific Blue Freedive. So, join me in this adventure and let's go. Sa freediving kuya, Marion. Alright guys, so we made it here in Club Contiki Resort here in Marion. Doon ba ni siya? Soong. Basta na siya sa Lapu-Lapu guys. So kumari mo, mag-taxi pag-grab na lang mo kayo para wala may hassle. Still waiting for some joiners na kuyog na mo. So far kay tulo pa lang miss. And this is Coach Marion. Siya ang coach din eh. By the way guys, so before they mag-start kay need to sign the waiver. So na sila ihatag. So muna siya activity waiver for freediving. So you need to fill this out if wala ba kay mga mga problema, sakit-sakit or something. So ang intro class din ni Sir Marion guys is 1,500. So ang inclusion na kay ang mask, snorkel niya, 2 hours na theory niya, 2 hours po na open water. So we still need to pay for the entrance sa resort. 150 din lang entrance there guys. Tapos ang rent sa fins kay 150 po. So auto. Alright guys, so naka-change na ko so far kay mo pa lang niya akong gisuot kay wala ko nag-prepare, nag-short lang ko. So ingon si Sir Marion kay mas okay daw na if mag-intro mo kay mag-leggings good mo kay na yung mga jellyfish. So, next time na lang. So first time din siya nako guys to try na mag-free dives. Actually kay dugi na kay ko na ganahan mag-learn ani mga 2 years na siguro pero karon na nako na push bitaw. Already 12:20 PM. So kaon sa daw mi kay human mi kay mga 4. First day guys kay theory. So 2 hours din siya ang theory. And then after kay ato na mi sa water, excited ko. So mo din ang mga kuyog sa current session. So 7 days. So we're all girls. Say hi. Hi. Girls. Hi. So mo din siya ang mga kuan. Single.
Freediving is an extreme sport. Depende, it's either you call it a sport or you call it a hobby. Sport if you want to be an athlete, hobby if you just want to do fun dives, take pictures and go everywhere where you can freedive.
So unsay mga queen?
Depende.
Athlete ka?
Sport or hobby. It's an extreme sport or hobby. Why? Because we are holding our breath and we dive as deep as our body allows us. Meaning, everything you do in life, there's always a risk involved.
Yeah.
Even you crossing the street, na chance maligsan mo.
Yeah.
So unsa, how do you lessen that risk na maligsan mo? You look kung asa pa doon sa sakyanan, di ba? The same thing as freediving. So you know what the things that will happen to your body or what are the other risks or factors that could get you into an accident when you are in the water. That's why I'm here to teach you all that. Mudyo ni siya ang pinaka-importante nga part. Ang safety nga part. Next is to be able to freedive comfortably. Why comfortably? When you go down underwater, the water will compress every part of your body. Meaning you need to know what is going on in your body so that you won't panic, you won't do anything. You'll be able to know how to do this, how to do that, how to do this. For everyone to as much as possible try to relax. Relax your shoulders, relax your feet, relax your hands. Don't move your hands, don't move your feet. So you can really relax. When you do your breathing, as much as possible, we need for you to breathe already to your mouth. Later on, when you will be in the water, you will be using a mask and a snorkel. Your nose is covered, so you only can be breathing through your snorkel tube. So let's do this exercise for 3 minutes. tama, 100%, you will know if you're breathing to your diaphragm or if you're breathing to
Pero
your
sa to kung gamito ni mo imong diaphragm,
Kung gamito mo yung diaphragm, kaya burot siya.
muborot ko mo inhale.
Ini-exhale mo kay mo, gamay.
Okay, I get it.
Hindi, balik. Ini-inhale mo, burot. You're adding pressure man.
Kung mo
Muna sa balik, di ba? Ini-inhale nyo kay mo. Kung gamay, ili sa dapat. Ini-inhale nyo mo, burot. You're adding air, you're adding pressure. Burot siya. Okay?
Sige, go.
Okay. The space inside your mask, the better in free dive. I'll explain that later on sa equalization part. Snorkel should not be inside your mouth. When you dive, snorkel should be taken out. Dapat ninyo siya iluwa. Sa fins, nasa tulo ka klase. Nice long, nice semi-long, and then a short. Kaya nyo gamit mo siya short. So meaning, the shorter the fin gets, the more kicks you need to do, and what do you burn more if you're using short? Your what? Oxygen. So muna siya, long fins get among gigamit. For us to be able to go down a little bit faster, and for us to be able to go down more efficiently. Something small is
Pila? 30,000?
36 percent.
Oh my gosh.
Frenzel is where you are using your throat muscles to equalize. First part is you should never free dive alone. That's one really important rule. Next, you make sure that you are always, you need to make sure that you are diving with a buddy. But make sure the buddy that you are with also knows how to.
Of course.
Because it's useless.
Yeah.
If he or she can only snorkel and something happens to you at 5 meters, what will your friend do? Your friend will just look at you and say goodbye. Yeah?
Yes.
So make sure that your buddy that you are with also knows how to free dive. Third, you need to make sure that you dive within your body's limits. Why? Because if your body can only dive to 5 and you go down to 10 and something happens to you at 10, your friend will just look at you at 5 meters and wave at you goodbye again. Diba? So make sure nga same mo capabilities. If your friend can't dive deep, don't dive deep as well. Or if something would happen, makuha ra kanya or ma-rescue ra kanya.
Guys, so manami some theory. So, kadong namin ito sa dagat. So, napay nag-prepare ako mga kauban. Tapos akong hair kay ako ginani kay dapat to siya naon kay mukuan siya o mo-drag siya o something. Taka-taka alam. So, mo to siya guys. And mo siya mask. Naghatag ni Sir Marion ang urang snorkel. Yang ang akong grant na ko na fins kay Kara. So 150 kay gamay kay ko kuan, gamay kayo kuog ka ng tiil. So dili ko ka discount. Mura na yung hatag sa kuha. So maybe magpalit ko next time kung okay na good. Kabaw na good ko.
Pilit do not. Kasi mapuno imong lungs. Sige. Hold. Relax. Hold your breath. Try to relax. Relax your shoulders. Relax your fingers. Relax your legs. And then a full inhale. Slowly in lang. Lagi na exhale. Hold. Relax. In. Relax your shoulders. Push your tongue up para wala yung mulik hangin. Relax your shoulders, relax your fingers, relax your legs, relax your eyes, relax your muscles. Relax na, you're doing good. Ayog exhale, ayog inhale. Put your... There, push your nose. Then you come inhale and exhale. Hold your breath. Hold your breath. Let it go. Your contractions is trying to... Your diaphragm is trying to move. Let it move when it's on. Ayog i-tense ha. Ayog i-tense. Ayog i-tense. Let it move lang. Let it move. Let your stomach move. That's your contractions. Lang, okay na siya. That's your urge to breathe. Gutom sa kaya. Ayaw kay pangusog. Makita na ko kay mata na mungag. Ayaw pangusog.
Alright, so my mask is on. Ang problem kay pag lisod kong pinch ako nose kaya sama na wag tayo ilong. Magpabelo na ko. Char joke. At least task kung ilong din sa akong mask. Joke lang. So I'll switch to my GoPro now, guys. I'll see you in my GoPro.
Loves me like you used to. Sometimes we're not ourselves. There's no one I can turn to. And I know all the feelings that we shared are in the past. And I know your relationships are never meant to last. And I'll take some time, but I'll be alright. We're moving on. We're moving on. I know times are tough, but I've had enough. We're moving on. We're moving on. We're moving on.
Hey guys, so manami old ka nang sa open water. So, tanaw kong now. I'm so haggard. Oh my god. By the way, nowadays ako dire si among coach.
Marion, I'm a freedive instructor here in Club Kuntige Marina Resort in Marigondon, Lapu-Lapu. So si Daisy kay nag-intro sa kuha today. So far, common issue sa tanan yun, usually, especially if you're a beginner, is your equalization problem. So, kung sakit yung dunggan, kaya di ka ka-equalize og tarong, which is, freediving is really an acquired skill, meaning you really need to practice para makuha dyan mo ang skill. But so far, iyahang tining, madadara og smile, needs improvement yapon. But wala gina sa.
Madlo ka mo ato sa ilawom na.
Yes, and then bati sa gaya yung fins na rentan so far. Muna sa nindot jud if you have your own gears. For me.
Bye. Soon.
Nindot jud if na kayo mong galing gears. So, our page is Pacific Blue Freediving. So, if you have planned to take a formal freediving class, we have it on our page. Nara dito ang schedule and everything. And also, like our freedive community here in Cebu, Sawum Freedivers.
Yes. So guys, muna to siya guys. Enroll na mo kay it's really a nice kanang new skill.
Yes.
For, para
A new life skill to invest for yourself.
So that's all. Thank you so
Thank
much,
you.
Sir Marion,
Thank you,
for
Daisy.
this
See you in the...
experience. And hopefully guys, soon kay Berg ma-improve na ka.
Soon. Practice nyo na sa tiktik ka na yun.
Yes. Sige, thank
See you in the open water soon.
Yeah. So, manakog wash up guys. So, ako mga kuyog dahil ako mga new found.
Mga PT. And
Kani siya kay si
Patty. Baby girl, aka Titus. Alexa. Queenie.
Char.
Cecile. Hi.
Saba, si
GL.
Oh, di ba? Magapa kayo mga kuyog Spanish. So, next time guys, mag-create na taguan ha, GC ba?
Of course.
Sige na, picture na ta! Picture.
1, 2, 3.
Alright guys, so we're now off to Park Mall kay muli na mi. I'm so tired. And so far, akong experience kay nindot siya, pero marag need more practice lang yun. Para ma-improve yun akong freediving skills. Charot! Ito, so, alidabe. Pangatana na to dari ako makakuyog. How's your experience sa first time mo na mag-on?
Hi. Well, it was an amazing experience and I get to learn more about freediving and appreciate its connection with nature and appreciate more everything good about life and how vulnerable we are.
Yes, nice. Ikaw, Cecil.
Hi.
Cecil is a nurse from London.
Hi. The whole class was very informative and very
Yeah,
helpful. So we learned a lot, especially the basic free diving skills, and I'm so happy that I've attended and I've met everyone. So regarding the diving, it was a different world and we can appreciate nature more, and we also had a good time, and though we have to really practice more, especially with the what's that? With the breathing and with our ears. So yeah, everything was perfect.
Thank you. How about you?
Ako experience kay kapoy ko. Kay sa dagat na gud ko gikan nya nagsawsaw na sad ko ganiha.
Lahi naman na ka ng last barko. Dito kami samsam. Samsam na kas barko.
Mag-beach man sad mi didto.
Ay, dili. Beach naman na. Dili naman na ka ng new good na ka ng marag.
Oh, pero
Pero amazing. Grabe. Like, you know, marag sa akong natanaw kay si Queenie o si Patty good ang pinaka best sa kuan sa lesson na
Serena.
Oo, marag grabe. First time ba nimo?
first time lagi nang
First time pero taga-dagat man gud ni. Ako kay oh my god. Ako gyud ko anya marag nalipong
ikaw taga-dagat ka man.
Nalipong ko ganina sa sige na ko kanang kuan bitaw. Di ko kabang mudak dahil di ko tudloy ko ninyo.
Of course.
So more to siya guys. So if you also want to learn free diving, so ma-enroll mo dito sa Pacific Blue Freediving.
is a good teacher.
Yes, he is. Very detailed kayo siya. Tapos butan sad siya. Kuan siya. Kuan siya.
Gosh, patient.
No, nagani ko kay oh my god. So that's all. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please give a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and if you've already subscribed, so hit that notification bell below. That bell, oh yes, that's it. That's the one. So that's all guys. I will see you guys on my next vlog. Bye.